guys, welcome to Maymay's Product Parade, and today I wanted to show you what all of the elements do in the party balloon set. So if you picked this up, it just came in last week. If you picked this up and you wanted to see how it worked, I'm going to show you. So let's get started. So in the stamp set, you get 3 different kinds of balloons. You get a solid balloon image here at the top. Then here you get a solid balloon image that also has the highlights already in them. So if you just wanted to do a single stamp and have the little highlights at the top, then at the bottom you get the open balloons. Let's start with these guys so I can show you what these elements do. So I got a piece of cardstock, and this is Cheerful VersaFine Clair ink, and I'm going to ink up one of the solid image balloons, and I'm doing it in this lighter color so you can really see the contrast, but you can do this with any color. So I'm going to stamp this guy down here on the page. Look how pretty that yellow balloon is. I like the yellow. So cute. Then I'm going to use really contrasting colors. I want you to really be able to see this. So you might not do this in real life, but you might. It might match a color scheme you want or what have you. I'm going to take these highlight marks and do them in this teal color just so you can really see them, okay? So this top highlight that kind of looks like an exclamation point upside down and twisted goes in the top area to give you some color highlight there at the top. And then this bottom piece goes at the bottom of the balloon. This would be really cute if you heat embossed it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you use it as a heat embossing and you did maybe a clear, shiny heat embossing. See how you can get some dimension on your balloon? Kind of hard to see from far away. Let me bring this up where you can see it. Again, I would not use these contrasting colors, but I wanted to show you the different or what the pieces do. So imagine if you did these, you stamped your balloon solid and you did these in like heat embossing. It'd be so cute with a clear to make it look kind of shiny. Then I'm going to show you what the rest of them do. So the highlight pieces for this balloon are right here. The round balloon, the highlight pieces, and the low light, that's what these are, highlight and low light. The round balloon, here's your highlight and your low light. And then the star, here's your highlights and your low lights. So you get them for every one. Now let's stamp one of these that has the highlight built in it. Now I'm going to stamp in the same yellow the balloon that has the highlight built in, and it only has the highlight built in, not the low light. So this one, you can just stamp and get that highlight all built in for you. So I'll bring that to the screen. See how it's got the white highlight already built in? I thought that was super cool to give you that option, because if you don't have a lot of different inks or you don't have a lot of embossing powders and things like that, this way you can still get the highlight and make the balloon look round for you. All right, and then I'm going to do this one in black ink. So let me lay this out and get a block. This is the open balloon, so just the line balloon. So you can use the line in any way you want. Be really cute done on pattern paper and then fussy cut or cut with your brother's scanny cut. And the cool thing about these, I want to show you this because I love this. So these are the open line balloons. These confettis all fit in them. So you have confetti for the oval, confetti for the circle, and confetti for the star. I'm going to show you the confetti in this one real quick. I'm going to do it in the black just so it'll show up. But again, well, actually, I'll tell you what, I can show you a sample that I made this weekend that I think is so cute. Okay, so here's our confetti. I'm not going to put my head in the screen, so it may not be perfect, but I'm going to stamp it to show you that you have confetti in the bottom of your balloon, and it is so cute. And you can do that for the star, the round, and the oval shape. And interestingly enough, in the round, you have a round confetti. In the circle, or in the circle one, you have kind of a rectangle-y confetti. And in the star, you have a star confetti, which is so cute. Now let's talk about streamers and things that come down from the balloons that are included in the kit. So one of the streamers is kind of a curly, twirly little streamer, which I think is super cute. And I'm just going to stamp it right here under this balloon to show you how it looks. See how cute that is? I love it. There's so much you'll be able to do with this set. And then the other one is a straight streamer. Let me show you that one. So for the straight one, I'll put it here on this balloon. So you get options, and you can curve this one whichever way you'd like. If you need it to curve left or curve right, you can do that. The other little things that you get, which are so cute, these little pieces are always the pieces I enjoy, the little tiny stamp pieces that kind of decorate everything up. This is a little string that looks like it's tied to the balloon there at the top. I love that one. You get several of those, and then you also, I really love this little guy. This is a little bow. Let me show you this. It goes sideways. So it looks like it's tied and kind of blowing to the side. A little bow, it's so cute. I stamped a little streamer there too because I want to show you how this one works. This little bow stamps right at the top, so it looks like there's a little bow tying it to the balloon. Those are so cute. Not to mention the sentiments that are on here are precious. This one says woohoo, and this one says happy cake day. And that actually came from a friend of mine who never says happy birthday. She always says happy cake day, and happy cake day fits in your balloons. I love this stamp set. I think it's perfect for your stash, and I want to show you the sample I made. So this is the card that I made. I did this on my channel, and this video will go up Saturday at noon. So it probably is already up before you see this video. But this is done with vellum, the open balloons, and the confetti. I love it. And then the little woohoo sentiment. And I did this stamping all for you guys to see on that video with that straight line. I just curved it on my block. I love how it turned out. I love, love, love the stamp set. And by the way, this is a big set. This is a 6x8 set, so it's really large. And we did that so we could give you lots of balloon options and lots and big enough sizes for an A2 size card and even bigger than that. So there you go. Party balloons. I'll be sure to leave a link below for you if you want to pick this up. And be sure to check out my other channel. Matter of fact, I'll link this video below so you can see how this one was made as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.